seek refuge in the Lord of man, the King of man, the God of man, in the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. I, Dr. Mari Anwar, consultant gynecologist and subfertility advisor. I will give consultation to the patients from different cities, from different countries, in fact, from different continents. I will give international consultation to the patient regarding to any gynecological problem, antenatal care, gynae oncology, gynae cosmetology, IUI, IVF, test tube baby, pediatric and adolescent gynecological issues, kangaroo care services, and I welcome patients to take consultation after booking. Booking will be given from the concern number which is mentioned here. And first of all, patient has to book on the concern number, and then on the scheduled time, consultation will be given to the concerned patients. Thank you very much for your cooperation.